Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to explore one of the most powerful feature in C++, that is switch statement. A switch statement is used to execute different blocks of code based on a value of a variable, which essentially a series of if-else statements. The basic syntax of switch statement look like this. First thing we need to add is switch keyword, then the expression enclosed in round brackets, then curly braces, and between those curly braces we need to add cases. And one of the best thing about switch statement is that we can add as many cases as we want. We don't have to limit ourselves to just 2 or 3 cases, whether it's a small number of values or 100. We can use switch statement to make our code more concise and readable. Let's say we are building a grade calculator that awards points based on a student performance. For that we can use a switch statement to determine the award. First let's ask marks from user. So I'll be adding cout statement to print a message. Let's say enter your marks. And I need one variable to store the value of marks, int marks. Then I'll be using cin statement to get the value from user. So inside marks variable, we are storing the value of marks. Next I'll be using switch statement. So first switch keyword, then round brackets. So here we need to pass marks in place of expression, and then curly braces. Inside those curly braces we need to add our cases. Let's say if a student got 90 marks, then we need to give A grade. Similarly for 80 marks, B grade is fine. So as you can see, I have added break keyword at the end of every case. So this is one of the most important thing. So if you don't add the break keyword, the code will fall through the next case. The default case is used if the score doesn't fall into any of the other cases. Then default case will catch that situation. Let's save and run this. This time I am giving 80. So we are expecting B grade. Let's enter and check. As you can see, we are getting correct output, that is grade B. Let's run this again. This time I'll give 100. So our default case will catch this 100 and return F grade. As you can see, we are getting grade, that is F. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more C++ tutorials. I'll see you in the next video tutorial.